Sandra, welcome on to the Thrivetime Show. How are you?
I'm good.
FernValleySoaps.com.
We make handmade goat milk soap. Everything's made with fresh goat's milk from our own goats on our own farm. And we do all kinds of soaps, from aggressive hand cleaners to really nice shower bars. And we do them for men, we do them for women. We were milking the largest goat herd in California. We weren't making any money. I hear, that they saw the reviews, they listened to them, that they read the reviews. We are constantly getting feedback about what other people are saying about our soap. And it helps us. A lot of the reviews are from our retail customers, and that helps sell to our wholesale customer. So we're talking to a buyer at a pharmacy or a grocery store. We can share those reviews with them and go, this is what the customers are saying.
It's when people hit the website or when you come in contact with a potential buyer, whether it be over the phone or on the website, what we want to do is convert those ideal and likely buyers into actual buyers. And a lot of that has to do with call scripting, creating one sheets, call scripting, creating one sheets and tracking the results. Can you talk about call scripting and how that's impacted your business?
We initiated some call scripting for our wholesale accounts when we're calling on off of the Dream 100. A lot of those are cold calls. So we created scripts to help us to make sure that we're consistently saying the things that we want to say to those people. And as we get through that list, you get a different response every time from a different, so we've got some different scenarios on which way that script can go.
And so has having those in place helped you?
Yes.
Okay.
Everything that we have implemented from you guys has helped us.